Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this short video I'll show you how to change Roblox location if you accidentally change it. So if the first method doesn't work for you, which is going to the settings in here and in the accounts info, if you can't change the account location in here, the other way to do this is contacting Roblox support. So go ahead and type in Roblox support in Google, click on this first link, and I suggest firstly logging into your account so that everything is easier to do. Your username will be automatically typed in and everything else. So just log in first, and in here type in your name. After that, choose a issue details, what device you're having a problem on. For example, you're playing on iPhone, choose iPhone. The type of help. Type of help is going to be technical support. After that, once again, technical support. Then choose specific experience issue, and here just basically in this field describe that you need to change your country's account, that you can't change it yourself, that the drop-down menu is unavailable. Also mention that you've never changed your country of residence in your account before, so that will help you because you're changing it for the first time. That will be easier to do. And after that, just click continue, and after that just wait for them to answer to your issue. For example, you want to change your country of your account to a specific country so that maybe they change it by themselves without you needing to do anything. That might be a good idea to do as well. And in general, this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching this small tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.